In this video, we will learn how to make slides for presentation. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select rounded rectangle, drag it like this. Then align center, rotate, align middle and align left. Press Ctrl Shift to make two duplicates. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Subtract and adjust it like this and duplicate. Adjust it here and duplicate another one. Select these three shapes, go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. And delete the unwanted part. Select these three shapes, go to Merge Shape and select Union. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Insert, click on Picture. Here I have downloaded picture from Google. Select and insert it. Click on right button and cut the picture. Again click on right button. Go to Format Background. Select Picture. Click on Picture and Texture Field and insert picture from clipboard. And click on Rotate with Shape. Go to Effect. Go to Shadow. Select this shadow from presets. Also select background color. Go to Insert. Click on Shape. Select rectangle. Drag it. Select these three shapes, go to Merge Shape and select Subtract. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill, select color using eyedropper. Duplicate the shape, go to Rotate, select Flip Vertical, adjust like this. Go to Shape Fill, select color using eyedropper. Go to Insert, click on Text Box, write Slide here. Select and change the font. Make it bold. Increase font size. Press Ctrl Shift. Take it downside. Write Design here. Select and change the font. Also change the color using eyedropper. Add PPT information here. Select this. Go to Animation tab. Apply Floating Animation. Also increase the duration size. Select Text Box. Apply Zoom Animation. Select Start with Previous. Also increase the duration size and delay size. Select this text box. Apply Floating Animation. Select Start with Previous. Also increase the duration size and delay size. Select Apply Zoom Animation. Select Start with Previous. Also increase the duration size and delay size. Select this. Apply Wipe Animation. Go to Effect option. Select from left. Select Start with Previous. Also increase the duration size and delay size. Click on Animation Painter and apply on this shape. Now click on Slideshow. So our slide looks very beautiful. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.